Hi, welcome once again to our channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host Dr. Ghosh and I'm here today with another awe-inspiring story for you. Friends, as you are aware, the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant was initiated on Facebook in 2015 and there today we've got about 800 members. On WhatsApp, we've got about 120 members, and we started your channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant on popular demand on YouTube, where we have today got 100 plus subscribers. From the day we have started, our firm faith has been that Generous, Gracious, and Gallant must achieve the twin objectives of ensuring that we send out daily inspiration to everyone, to all our members, and share the best stories of mankind with you. For those of you who are visiting our channel for the first time, could I request that you subscribe the channel by pressing the bell icon so that you will get a notification of every new video which we release for you. Coming back to our inspirational story today, the person I'm going to be speaking to you about is warrior queen Boudica, who was queen of the British Celtic Icenia tribe. She was the queen between 60-61 AD. When her husband died, he left his kingdom to both his daughters and to Rome, the Emperor Nero. The Romans did not honor his will and they came and seized control of her kingdom and had the queen Boudica publicly flogged and they raped both her daughters. This did not go down well with the warrior queen Boudica, and she gathered a large army of Icenia and Trinovantes warriors and waged a campaign against the Romans in Britain. She attacked three Roman towns, the present day Colchester, St. Albans, and London, and totally devastated the Roman army and population there, along with her daughters. Her daughters accompanied her on the campaign, and the Romans were totally devastated. They lost about 70 to 80,000 troops and civilian population thanks to the attack by the warrior queen Boudica. The much renowned Roman legion, the famous Ninth Legion, was totally annihilated by warrior queen Boudica and her daughters, who accompanied her on this campaign. The situation was so bad that the Roman Empire, Nero, was thinking of withdrawing all his troops from Great Britain. But his governor there, Sertorius, turned the tables back on the warrior queen Boudica and defeated her in the final battle, with additional reinforcements coming in from the European continent. Warrior queen Boudica, upon her defeat, rather than surrendering to the Romans, committed suicide. We have to remember this was 60-61 AD and women empowerment was not at all on the scenes. In such circumstances, for a queen to wage war against the strong Roman legions who had conquered half the world and to decimate them in 3 battles, finish off over 70,000 Roman legions and civilian populations in Roman Britain, and be solely responsible for almost the total annihilation of the famous Ninth Legion of the Roman army was no small matter. Friends, I request you once again, if you like these awe-inspiring stories of inspirational people, please do hit the subscribe button and feel free to share these videos with your friends and family. I assure you that they have the most inspirational stories available for children and friends and family, enabling you to put your best foot forward. I am also a strong proponent of the concept of difference to one. Means that all of us cannot make a difference to many individuals, but all of us can stand up, be counted, and make a difference to a single individual. These are COVID-19 times. Mankind is facing a battle against the COVID-19 virus. Lakhs of people have lost their jobs. Lakhs have lost their lives. It is the right time for sane thinking individuals to stand up, be counted, and make a difference. You do not know what your single act of kindness can end up doing, what change it can bring about. Please stand up, be counted, make a single act of kindness happen, and you will see the difference it brings about in society. Especially these times when COVID-19 is ravaging the nation and the world, we have to understand that mankind is one. We are one. What happens to another person also reflects on us. And it is in these times that we require all of you to stand up, to be counted, and make a difference. Till we meet again with another awe-inspiring story of an warrior queen from world history who stood up and made a difference. Thanks to her courage and valor. Stay safe. Take care of your family. Maintain social distancing. Wear a mask. And last but not the least, please stand up, be counted, and make a difference. Your difference to one will bring about a change in society, the ripples of which you cannot count. Thank you. Good luck. All the best.